kitchen back door doesn't want to turn to the left, turns to the right, but sometimes it gets stuck. Let me try it from the outside. Oh, got stuck first time and now turning. Doesn't want to turn that way. Before this was getting stuck, didn't want to go in. When I sprayed some oil about 6 months ago, it seemed okay. But it's going one way, but not the other way. Basically, you have 2 Phillips screws on the door latch side and 2 more on the inside doorknob. But one thing that was interesting was, I don't know how it happened, the long screw came out of the door latch side, but the long screw is supposed to be actually with the doorknob, and the short screw is where it goes on the door latch side. So somehow it was swapped when it got installed before, not sure how. Okay, I got this out. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. I think the problem is in here somewhere. The doorknob spring has no issue going back and forth. The other one also doesn't have an issue. So this is probably about 8 years old, and our back door is used a lot. We always go through the back door to go to the detached garage, so I'm seeing a lot of buildup in here. I don't know how much of that was original grease. Yeah, there's a lot of buildup in here everywhere. This started to happen about 6 months ago when I'm closing it. This part wouldn't go in all the way, so I put some WD-40 and it worked right away. But I think that may have actually created more problems now. I didn't know that they have a special lubricant for the door locks. So I got some of these, and it says it doesn't attract dirt, anti-corrosion, penetrates and lubricates. But I think first I need to clean this. So I'm using the engine degreaser. I've been spraying this everywhere I can. Cleaning didn't seem to help. It's still stuck. I started to clean this, and while I was cleaning, I noticed in one of the holes here, on the one side, there's a loose metal. I think it's this one. It's you see, now it came down. Now it went down. There's a loose metal, and that's affecting. I saw the video on how these locking latch mechanisms work, and I don't think that's supposed to do that. So cleaning this ain't gonna solve it. I think I damaged it. So I could have gotten a whole new complete set. They were maybe about 30 bucks, but that defeats the purpose of the DIY spirit. The other thing was these the keys we got. It matches front and back, and all the deadbolt keys. So I don't want to have a brand new key on one of them, or having to go through the rekeying. So I figure this is still good. It's still got good spring on both sides. So I decided to, I didn't even know they had this. So I went there actually to buy a complete new set, and I was still upset that I would have another key I gotta carry, or figure out a way to rekey this. But they actually had this, so this was only $10. So I mean, okay, it's savings of $20, but interesting. So this pushes in. I thought you needed this mechanism to turn this, but actually it's supposed to do this by itself. Where's my old one? Yeah, this is not going in. Just trying to make sure it's identical size, identical. Ooh. Actually, the only difference I see is this one has this thing here. This one doesn't. I don't know what the purpose is. Well, let me see. I'll give it a try. Okay.